for everyone out there. I want to show you a little bit of some of my work from or on Midjourney. Now, I am on my own private server, you can see here, and I do all of my work for Midjourney under generative bots. The idea, if I'm doing it in Discord, I want to kind of keep all of my generation to one spot. This is why I like ChatGPT over this way of doing things now in its integration with DALL-E. But I think it's still worth going through, and a lot of you would likely get something out of it. Being able to see how the sausage is made and how to work the system. But before I do that, I want to actually show you Midjourney. And let me find it. There we go. Here we are, Midjourney. If you get logged in, you're going to want to go to one of these newbies. Here's the rooms. And, you know, you can see everyone else's work. You can kind of see what they're typing in, what they get out of it. And, you know, should be able to hide that. All kinds of crazy stuff. You can see they're doing the warrior pictures. Now, the problem with that is it's awfully noisy. If you type in something, and I type in imagine, I type in a prompt, imagine, who do I want? So I'm saving it, now it's generating, and you can see it's generating with everyone else's stuff. The problem with this, if there are a bunch of people in here, your image will quickly scroll off the screen. And you can search for it, there are ways to get to it, but it's just, I don't know, it's kind of annoying. I'm gonna let this run. See, it's generating fast because I have, I think I spend $10 a month. And here we have the Flash. It's merged with ChatGPT. So let's see what it thinks about this. Probably gives me like a tech version of the Flash. Sure, looks good. Now, if I wanted to run this, I really like the Flash back in the day. I can, let's say I like this one. So again, I like this one a lot, and so I want to keep it. But I like where this is going with it. Like this is, let's say this has a little more open area here. So if I want to do different variations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, this upscales, this does a different version. I'm going to do variations of this, boom, come down here, it's running a different job, and you can see I got the high quality version. It's pretty slick, I can save it. Now, I'm going to come back to my server, because I keep it all in the same spot, and we are going to go up. Let's get all the way up here. I think this is where I started. Skeuomorphic, you see that? I used, to create this, I used ChatGPT Conversation, where I've trained it up to do what I wanted to do. Generate me some kick-ass icons when I need them. And here's a different variation. I think I asked it to do something else to it, or I might have asked for a dairy farm. And you can see, here's one, a wide landscape, 3D background that would go on the product page of a startup, agri-tech startup. Those are pretty nice. They're all dark. I could say make light ones, and it wouldn't do anything because you're not having a conversation. You need to change this to change it. You can see here, I clicked on 3, which that generated the highlighted version, which really just spit it here and said number 3. That's the one to run. And you can see it has no people because no people is a switch for Midjourney, so there's no people in the photo. Different wide landscapes, Unreal Engine, rendering. You can see it does some different, now I wanted a full version. I wanted the backdrop image to use. Different versions. Okay, those are kind of crap. I was actually, this one, I was demonstrating Midjourney and AI to my mother-in-law and asked her to, well, this is what we come up with that might demonstrate it. Van Gogh's Starry Night, but with a farmer theme. It has some farm, and you can kind of see it here. You can see there's elements of Van Gogh's Starry Night. And there I said, generate me a big one, and I did. These are fun. I combined a picture of me, and you can't see that because that opened in a different window, and that one did too. I'll pull them up, but this is what it ends up looking like. Blammo. And here's a picture of me combined with George Clooney. And there is Sean Brady. And more icons. Here's this 20-acre. See that hyper realistic image? Rolling hills. Remember that cartoony construction site? This looks more realistic. You can see they're clearly working in one spot. They're working together, clearing the ground, flattening it out. Looks like a construction site. That other thing was like a cartoon thing. Same prompt. So you can see how different, the two models are. Here's another example. Compare this to the other one that was provided. Very different. Not that this is bad. This still, but I probably use them for different purposes. There's a vertical farm. You see there's people because there isn't no people. So if I wanted to do this with no people, watch this. And what was that? No. Oh, there it is. See if we get that one without people. And I don't see any people in that picture. Oh, hold on. Looks like someone's right there. Might be a fail. I hit the zoom out 2 times. Now it's in the process of zooming out. As soon as it finishes, we're at 62%. Come on. 78, 93. Done. Come on. Come on. There we go. Ooh, there's another greenhouse here. I like that. I'm gonna have to run that. That was a good one. And I like these too. So I'm gonna up. We're gonna up that one. And like that one. And zoom out. And then you can see what the AI thinks, what else should be in that image. Gonna get upset with me. I'm clicking too much. And we're gonna stop it.